Today we are working on lesson 3A in Saxon math. First thing you need to do is put your name and your date. Kyle's baseball game is a week from tomorrow. What is the date of the game? So you have to know what today's date is that you have written. And a week is worth 7. And we are going from tomorrow. And we need to know the date. So you take whatever date you're using and you are going to go for tomorrow. So you're going to add 1 more and then you're going to add 7 more days. So for instance, if today is the 2nd, tomorrow will be the 3rd, and then you will add 7 more. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th. So if it is October 10th, maybe it is September something. Shade the graph to match your classroom graph. Well, I am going to show you how I want you to shade it. I'm going to give you 1 January, 2 Februarys, 1 March, 4 Aprils, 2 Mays, and no Junes. So it says to use the graph to answer the questions. How many birthdays are there in March? Birthdays in March, I go to March, there's 1. How many birthdays are there in the 5th month of the year? I need to know what the 5th month of the year is. So this is where you go to that kindergarten song that you said, January, February, March, April, May. So the 5th month is May. So my 5th month, I'm looking for the number of birthdays, so it's May, and there's 1 too. Write the same number in each box to make the number sentence true. Same number to make the number sentence true. So I'm going to be adding 2. And I know my doubles, and hopefully you do as well. But if you don't, you need to figure out what's going to go in here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I haven't got to 18 yet. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have made 18. How many is in each of these boxes? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm adding 2 numbers. So I'm going to separate it into 2 to get the answer 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have in each box? I have 1, 2, 3. Now we are working on patterns. So I'm going to go ahead, and you should too, is write P. P for patterns. 7 to 8. 7, 8. So I'm going to do plus 1 here. 8 to 9. 8, 9. Plus 1 here. So my pattern is plus 1. But I can't go this way. I'm going to have to be going this way. So each time I go, I'm going to add. What plus 1 equals 7? 6 plus 1 equals 7. What plus 1 equals 6? 5 plus 1 equals 6. What plus 1 equals 5? 4 plus 1 equals 5. I'm going to be doing another pattern, so I'm going to write P, and I'm going 40, 50, 60. These are getting bigger. 40 to 50 is 10. 50 to 60 is 10. So I'm going to be adding 10. What plus 10 equals 40? 30 plus 10 equals 40. If you will notice, it's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and your zeros will stay the same. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.